Investing in the S&P 500 from Canada is a straightforward way to gain exposure to a diverse range of large U.S. companies. To begin, familiarize yourself with the S&P 500, which includes leading firms across various sectors. One common method for Canadians to invest in the S&P 500 is through exchange-traded funds, ETFs, or mutual funds that track the index. Many Canadian brokerages offer these options, allowing you to purchase shares easily. Research different funds to find those with low management fees and a strong track record. Next, open a brokerage account that facilitates international investments. Many platforms cater to Canadian investors and provide user-friendly tools for managing your portfolio. After setting up your account, transfer funds to invest in your chosen S&P 500 fund. When investing, consider your overall financial goals and risk tolerance. It is advisable to adopt a long-term investment strategy, contributing consistently to take advantage of market growth. You might also think about setting up automatic contributions to simplify the investment process. Additionally, be mindful of potential currency fluctuations, as investing in U.S. stocks means dealing with exchange rates. By regularly monitoring your investments and staying informed about market trends, you can navigate your investment journey more effectively. Investing in the S&P 500 can be a valuable addition to your portfolio, helping you benefit from the growth of major U.S. companies while diversifying your financial assets.